Bad, especially for what's gonna happen today. You're on low siren, I gotta fix that.
Required weekly test.
What?
The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA radio public warning system. Specially built receivers are activated by the signal to warn of severe weather or other hazards. Tests are normally conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 and 8 p.m. If severe weather is expected on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next day, weather permitting. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning signals, vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can result even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. Warning alarm tones are activated on transmitters for counties where the signal is reliably received in sufficient strength for consistent and dependable service. For station KIH 26 in Daytona Beach, warning alerts will be activated for Volusia, Flagler, Putnam, Lake, Seminole, Brevard, and Orange counties. For station KIH 63 in Orlando, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Lake, Orange, Osceola, Polk, Seminole, and Volusia counties. For station WXG70 in Melbourne, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Indian River, Orange, and Osceola counties. For station WWF69 in Fort Pierce, warning alerts will be activated for Indian River, Martin, Okeechobee, and St. Lucie counties. This has been a test of the NOAA Radio Public Warning System. We now return to the regular broadcast program.
Here we go! Yes! Yes!
Tornado warning for the following counties in Florida, Indian River, and Osceola. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a tornado warning for West Central Indian River County in East Central Florida, Southeastern Osceola County in East Central Florida until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles northeast of Kissimmee Prairie Preserve, or 13 miles south of Kenansville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris would be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
I knew
Mobile
I'd
homes
still
will
be
be
like
damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.
Thank you for making my...
This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of west central Indian River and southeastern Osceola counties. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid
I knew
windows.
that storm was gonna get warm.
If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
What now? Again! I called it.
Tornado warning for the following counties in Florida, Brevard, and Indian River. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Indian River County in east central Florida, south central Brevard County in east central Florida, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight
Second
Time.
alert. When I
At
come home.
5:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a
Can I get
severe
another one?
thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Blue Cypress Lake, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour.
I think we might.
Hazard: tornado.
Depends on how the
Source:
office is
radar
feeling.
indicated rotation. Impact:
There's another
flying
storm
debris
coming
will be
in from
dangerous to
the
those caught
southeast,
without shelter.
southwest, I meant.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Indian River and south central Brevard counties. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Y'all just have to scare me with that.
If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.